So today's first adventure is a tuk tuk tour here with Eco Tuk Tuk. We're going to 19 iconic locations all around Madrid with my man Juan. Let's go. Woo.
Now, if you look right, you're going to watch that statue, okay? It's Philip IV, okay? One of the last Austrian kings of Spain. Maybe you notice that the horse is standing only in his two back legs.
Yep, okay.
In terms of gravity, it's impossible, okay? They needed the help of Galileo Galilei. How? No, how?
There's maybe a pole or a pillar through the middle.
It's a question of balance, okay?
Yeah.
The top part of the statue is totally empty. Something in the two back legs.
Amazing.
And that cathedral is Saint Almudena's Cathedral, okay? It took 110 years to be built.
God, completely different smell. Welcome to La Rosaleda, the Roses Garden. This is just one of the 19 stops that I'm taking on the Eco Tuk Tuk tour. I'm with my driver Juan, who's going to explain to you the importance of this garden and how you can read the signs to understand everything about the roses themselves. Let's hand it over to Juan.
So I'm Juan from the Eco Tuk Tuk company, okay? I'm doing a tour with Harry, okay? And now, why is this place famous? It's famous because there is a contest that takes place every year in this park, and the contest consists in to grow the most beautiful roses, okay? And what you can see, for example here in this sign, you can see the name of this rose. This one is called Poli, it's a type of rose, it's called Floribunda. In Spanish it's like a bush rose. You also have the guy who planted the rose, Poulsen. He's from Denmark and is a bronze medal rose from the year 1990.
Here, with the yellow tape, is the 2024 competition, and voting is taking place right now. So I think I'm going to go over and have a vote. So I know which rose I'm going to select, fill out the form, and drop off my entry. I've gone for rose number 40. Let's drop it off. Woo. I highly recommend the Tuk Tuk tour. Went for 2 hours around the city seeing amazing sights. Incredibly light on your feet. You only have to get off at destinations that you want to. The Rose Garden was fantastic. Definitely recommend going there. And keeps you cool from the hot Madrid sun as well. Highly recommend. Madrid, you're awesome. Let's go get some food.